Now guys, obviously I've been scrolling the chart and see if I was getting some price action here and there. What I can see here, there got some levels that have been respected here. So the price touched that. This is another level. But okay, we just move from there and see what I get from here, right? So see now, let's see. All right, so possible double bottom. What I do, it is true the guys we're doing backtest, but you have to imagine that you open the chart and you see this. All right, okay, so you just try to see what you get in there. The pair is going up, we are actually on the daily, guys, but you see, if I want to see bit by bit, if you are on live price action, you will see the daily going slowly, but on the daily, when I click on trading view, it will be already formed. So I only jump on the 8 hours. I don't really use it just to see the price action bit by bit as if it was happening on the daily. So I'm starting to see some tell signs here, and what I can tell by going actually on the daily, well, I don't really need to go to the daily, is that here this price, I'm not sure if it's a retrace, but it's not really doing these candles on the way up. Possibly would he go back on the neckline? So what I do, I jump on the 4-hour chart and I try to see if there is some price action in there, and then I see the price now definitely is doing some sort of little patterns that I like, and then is doing this other pattern here, and then I would check the MACD here on the 1 hour, right? And I will see, guys, normally when the MACD goes down, you wait for the price to go up. Remember, I could possibly take a trade on the way down, but for now I'm just preparing it, this little tool here. So MACD went down, okay, indicators just tell us things. Possibly, sometimes, you know, guys, I even miss the trades because I don't really take the, I don't really want to be total into it, if you know what I mean. I just like to see things that they are precise. I just don't want to enter random trades. Okay, so if I leave it there, my stop loss, where the target would be, I see that, lower this, what a possible target could be, guys. Obviously, before, if you know my patterns before, double bottom, prices to reach to neckline. Since we have a structure there, possibly could be another structure here. So the target effectively could be there and there. I don't want to really aim for the moon. Where were we? H4, let's go back on the H1, MACD has retraced. What I wait is for a move up and there. Right, so will they take liquidity here since the move was like that? So I don't really trust this base so much. I would put a little bit higher just in case, right? And then I would wait a little bit more. This is how you backtest things, guys. Okay, had a strong move down, guys. So is he gonna do a retrace and go back up? Don't forget, this is platinum, guys. We got some wild moves in there, right? So out of this base range in there, right, could retest and do its own things. Platinum, it can be quite scary. Look at that. Never move at break even with platinum. Let it go at least a little bit more, because he can actually, yeah, that's it, guys. You know, so that he likes to take this liquidity here. Okay, he has taken this. He is obviously, guys, you know, because people were buying, selling, and so he wants to take all those orders. So once he's done that, then you could possibly make sure that the pair will do its own things. Right, now you could decide. Once you are there at here, you could put stop loss and break even. I wouldn't do 1-to-1 because this could easily go up. You could go break even, or you could just 50%, 75%. Right, our point here, that is to see if the price gets back to the neckline. So what I will do, I just proceed. Well, guys, at this point, obviously you can move here at least your risk reward. And then this was the neckline. So the first neckline of that structure in there was reached, and then even gets back to the other neckline. And obviously, guys, once you see those move, honestly, guys, what would you expect? Once you see strong move, I would expect something to go back up, because it is impossible that it will go on and on and on. No pair does that, okay? So let's just do a couple of minutes more. You see, guys, so this is inefficiency candles. Okay, the first candle, the third candles here, let's get rid of this. They have they basically don't touch. Okay, and also this one. So that is inefficiency. And what you see here, guys, this is endless price action. What do you see here, guys? On the daily, you will see another double bottom. So guys, I would stay on the backtest hours. I really like to backtest, because when I go on chart, I can remember things, and life is much easier. Find strategy patterns that I use all the time. A very good day to all of you. Let me know if any question. Thank you. Good day.